Gala Games' massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording, Gala Games is now attempting a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart to flip that key area into support. And all this is playing out after we saw a bit of a breakdown move into this target area that I have highlighted on the charts in blue. And in the next coming hours, I'm expecting to see Gala Games give us a break of this descending trend line that I have here on the charts. And the moment we manage to break above that, we also need to see a break above resistance at the 0.026. And on today's video, I will also be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts and also give you my breakout target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 45-minute chart by just giving you a quick recap of this Elliot wave structure, which started to play out on the 5th of July when we saw these massive bounce to the upside, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2. And after we bottomed out in the formation of that second wave, I expected an impulsive move to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which is an area that we fully maximized in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02681. And I said to you in my previous videos that since we have fully maximized our target areas in this Elliot wave count 3, there are high chances that we can see a bit of a pullback in this Elliot wave count 4. And I gave you the minimum target areas for the fourth wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which perfectly lies between the 0.02417 and the 0.02336, which is the area over here. And this area should also continue acting as support, and you can see that after the pullback we have continued to see support within the area. And I'm expecting that in the next coming hours we are going to start that impulsive Elliot wave count 5 to the upside, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci once again from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that higher Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.02934, and that is a minimum target area. So the moment you manage to break above resistances and also see a break of structures, continue gearing up, then my first target area will lie above the 0.02934, and a break above the 0.02934, I will have my next target areas back above the 0.03094. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart for the next coming hours. And I have said to you that for that Elliot wave count 5 to the upside to play out, we need to continue holding above support, break above the 20-day MAs and continue holding above them, and also see a break of this trend line that I have here on the charts to give us a confirmation that we have started to see that break of structure to the upside to fully maximize our minimum target areas in that Elliot wave count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart for the next coming hours. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.